Hi, this is Tomato Tim with Organic Oasis in Northern California Zone 9B. I'm going to show you today how I prune and lower and lean my tomatoes as they grow, my indeterminate tomatoes as they grow up to the top of the trellis. So as you can see here, this tomato plant is up above the top of the bottom of this of the string, and so I'm going to need to lower and lean it to get it in order. But first I'm a little behind on pruning, and what I'm doing is I'm pruning all the suckers off of the plant. So the way you find a sucker is there's a leaf node and it's spreading out and has only leaves on it. And in the crook where that leaf node is, there is a sucker, and you can clip that off. So here's one. And then moving up, again, leaf node, again, a sucker sticking out in the corner, in that corner. So I'm going to be cutting that off. And then similarly over here is a leaf node and then a sucker. So I'm going to cut that off. And again, this is a leaf node and this is a sucker. So I'm going to cut that off. I have two more suckers here. So I've got a leaf node, so you can see that here with it, the leaves are coming out. This is sticking out of the corner of that, so that's what I'm going to cut off, and that's the sucker. And similarly up here, leaf node, and in that right in between there's a sucker, and I cut that off. And then up here is the blossom node, so we'll keep that. Now that I've pruned the tomatoes and gotten rid of the suckers, I'm going to show how I use this to lower and lean my indeterminate tomatoes. So the first thing I'm going to do is take and lower, unwrap this, and now what I can do is take and lower this and lean it. And now I'm going to put some clips on this. There's one, and I'll put another one down here. And I'm going to lower it a little bit further. And so there we go. So down here, I've got these leaves that are coming now kind of close in contact with the bottom now that I've leaned this over. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. This one is still below where the tomatoes are coming off of this tomato node. So I'm just going to cut the leaf node below that so it can help focus on that and not get dirt on it. And then I'm going to cut this back just a little bit, and maybe this one back just a little bit. And there I've now got these away from any dirt, so I'm not worried about the dirt splashing up on these leaves. And now these should go ahead and ripen, and once those ripen, then it'll move up the plant and grow tomatoes and ripen as we go up. So that's what I wanted to cover today. So good luck with your tomato plants. These should continue to grow through the entire season until we get a hard frost. So I'm excited about leaning them and lowering them. This is the first one I've done this for, but watch it for subsequent videos and I'll be doing it to the others. Thank you so much. Happy growing.